Is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use, and here at the top you pretty much can go here at the top, pretty much get your servers, whichever server you want to use. You have the United States option, you have the United Kingdom. All of you just tap on the arrow icon here to expand the server section here as it relates to this specific server. You have Germany, you have Canada. All of the rules, I recommend selecting the one with the highest bar. Pretty much all of them have the high bar section. Once you have selected your server, you pretty much will ask for connection request. Just tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. We'll start connecting in no time. So that's pretty much how to use this VPN application. Very easy to use, and once it's connected, it will show an ad. Just tap on the X option here, and it will give you a connection time of an hour and 30 minutes connection time, and you'll be able to add up to 10 minutes free connection time and 30 minutes connection time. It's not that bad from the other applications that I've reviewed, which are very similar to this one here. This application speed is very decent, I'm not gonna lie, and as well the connection time, or the time that they've given you, is not that bad as well. Usually the other one will give you like 3 minutes or 10 minutes the most, which is very crazy for the VPN applications. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. Just give it a try. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and if you have any problems with it, you can let me know in the comment section as well. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.